Welcome to this tutorial on configuring accounting analytics settings in Odoo. Properly setting up these features will help you gain better insights into your financial performance by tracking costs and revenues, managing budgets, and analyzing margins effectively. Let's dive into each feature with practical examples to help you understand its importance and application. Let's get started. Open the Accounting module in Odoo. Go to the Configuration menu and select Settings. Here, you'll find the Analytics section. Let's explore each option in detail. Analytic Accounting. The Analytic Accounting feature in Odoo allows you to track costs and revenues by specific categories, such as projects, departments, or cost centers. This is especially useful for businesses that want detailed financial reporting. For example, imagine you're managing multiple projects for a construction company. By enabling Analytic Accounting, you can track costs like labor and materials for each project separately. At the end of the month, you'll be able to generate a report that shows the profitability of each project individually. Budget management. With the budget management feature, you can define budgets and compare your actual revenues and expenses with your planned figures. This helps you stay on track financially and identify any variances early. For example, suppose you allocate a marketing budget of $10,000 for the quarter. With this feature enabled, Odoo lets you track your actual marketing expenses against the budget. If you exceed the budget, you'll be alerted, helping you adjust your spending in real time. Analytic Tags. Analytic tags allow you to tag analytic entries for more detailed tracking and to manage analytic distributions across multiple categories. For example, if you're running a consulting firm, you might work on a project that involves multiple departments. Using analytic tags, you can split the costs and revenues of a single invoice between the sales, HR, and IT departments. This makes financial tracking more granular and precise. Margin analysis. The margin analysis feature helps you monitor the profitability of your products by analyzing the margins directly from your invoices. This feature is crucial for understanding which products or services are most profitable and which may need adjustment. For example, let's say you sell two products, Product A and Product B. By enabling margin analysis, you can track their margins based on the cost of goods sold, COGS, and selling price. If Product B has a lower margin than Product A, you can strategize to improve its profitability by renegotiating supplier prices or increasing its selling price. Why enable accounting analytics in Odoo? These features work together to provide powerful tools for financial management. Analytic accounting ensures detailed tracking of costs and revenues. Budget management helps you plan and control your finances effectively. Analytic tags and distributions make financial reporting more detailed and flexible. Margin analysis helps you focus on profitability. By configuring these settings, you're equipping your business with tools to make smarter financial decisions, improve profitability, and maintain better control over your resources. Conclusion. Configuring accounting analytics in Odoo can transform the way you manage and monitor your business finances. Whether you're running a small business or managing large operations, these features will provide actionable insights and keep your financial health in check. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.